You see, when a homeless riffraff will be a windy baby, it will be a butcher only a juma yet. Did you to for attention? They don't deserve attention. Clearly, on some of us who say, Omu may Japan, but more than say. Nah, a responsible pastor like that, he would Mills. Your sermon was an insult. Your apology is a. Find the two more for. Because won't be the any respect him. But as I say, more person with them no extra with two. I am the definition of disrespect. Just in case of person disrespecting my king. You see, if you are not paying attention to you, because you are an idiot, you don't deserve an attention. But that Keyword Mills, the apology you wrote yesterday, come back and apologize for that apology. You don't want us to come and tell Ghanaians what we also know about you. Young man, respect yourself. Lighthouse one, I know. No sorry, na moje or a puppet, na was some preacher. Nyamena was Fremon can who was a wood that Keyword Mills. Lighthouse Chapel. How many branches na mu Kumase? Said the Bia will be to almost collection 20 cities in Pa. Kwasiada often not was saying, I would you was until 4 Ewu Kumase. What has the Lighthouse Chapel done for the Ashanti region? Again, Lighthouse, Motiyamu Pia branches Ewu Kumase. Like dear Namage, Ama Asante mine. Once also TV be one no ever cassette with 2 for because we are feeling our TV at home. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with you people? What have you done for the Ashanti people? Would you want to have from Kogufi and Cocaine? Or 2 for what the collection will be home? Ah? Mokwaya masa akopeka ka mbedi so na mkoyi obi. Otumfo wa beji offering. Wo dey no waya masa temai. Preach about it let's hear. Wo kan pe yes ye. Efiane sesen. Asofo obegina soy dem ma yekofini ama abo afodwe ajeje offering. Owia no de akosi university. No onu jiska no go botom. Omu de that Keyword Mills or prayer camp bi me pese me kai ba bi e wo soro ho. Ojiji skana ya no obechama aso oroma no munsua nyansa nana wada roma aban na se won taxi asore asante mind ye da o se o man be ye enti firi na kro no shemra aso be nya gu ho no e wo se 1 year omo ye development ma asante mind enti say be fine mo nana me ko Winners Chapel industrial area ya meko wonka ha ya jiskache mu bia ya sori kwan na enya me kwan na nse me nkwa so because of ya we kwan pa the road to Winners Chapel International. You be disgusted as a Christian. Meanwhile, you're offering Boulevard never.